Make a great choice today with the 2020 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.